The city, the structural unit of civilization. We take its organization as granted. We are used to seeing the flux of people, vehicles and logistics as a permanent clockwork harmony. But just stop for a minute and think. Could a city work without traffic lights? Now imagine what happens daily in a factory. This is Volkswagen Automóveis in Portugal, one of the most advanced automotive production plants in Europe. A living, fast-paced clockwork operation involving hundreds of workers, machinery, computers and support vehicles. An astonishing labyrinth of assembly lines and automation fully coordinated by information systems that evolve continuously. Every day, thousands of movements happen on these premises. Every hour, on this crossroad alone, more than 70 tugger trains run through, carrying parts that are vital for the assembly operations to keep on flowing. Besides this, there is an increasing number of automated vehicles being introduced into these routines. We need a traffic light system to keep the movement of vehicles controlled in our cities. Why would an automotive plant be any different?
At Volkswagen Automóveis, we are making a constant effort towards efficiency. And one of the goals we have is to increase the use of AGVs transporting parts from the picking points to the assembly line. AGV stands for Automated Guided Vehicle, and in our plant, their purpose is to move parts along the factory corridors, which are a common environment with human-operated tugger trains, due to space limitations. So we need a system that could work for both humans and machines, which allow us to flexibly monitor and smoothly manage traffic, while also preventing accidents. And so, this is where wireless locating systems come into place.
The idea seems simple and effective. The implementation, however, took a lot of creativity, technology and programming. And from the start, there was one key technical issue to deal with: how to establish a fully reliable wireless locating system linking traffic lights and machinery in a place where so many Wi-Fi devices work at the same time, just like in any city.
Using SIMATIC RTLS solution, we implemented a real-time locating system that allowed us to reliably locate these logistic assets. So basically digitalizing data that was always there. Combining RTLS with the location intelligence software, we were able to virtually design geofences. So this way not only the system instantly reads the positions of any AGV or tugger train, but it also detects its occupancy and entrance in specific areas of the factory. Another key element is the traffic control system that we implemented with our partner Introsys. It was actually here in the iExperience Center in Lisbon that we started developing together this integration of RTLS and the control system.
For the traffic control itself, RTLS data is further processed in industrial SIMATIC controllers that were programmed to quickly react on events and decide how to manage and prioritize the traffic in the crossroad. Since most human operators and AGVs must understand traffic instructions, the system we designed involves visual aids and machine communication working together. This basically means creating a traffic light system from scratch using a wireless locating system that works independently from everything else.
The SIMATIC RTLS system installed at Volkswagen Automóveis is now fully functional in one of the busiest and most difficult crossroads in the factory, rendering accidents to zero. A clever system that not only opens the way to full automation, but also enables intelligent analytics on the movement of the vehicles, allowing decisions over the best routes to take, just like when city planners decide based on traffic heat maps, or when you decide when you choose your path on a GPS to drive to work. Now it may start being used in many other places of the factory. Why? Because it increases safety, efficiency and flexibility. Because it allows faster and transparent management of every vehicle. To put it simply, because it really works.